needs to get back inside the house! You lock your doors, now!
Come on, get in!
Get your seatbelt on.
Hold on.
You take 71.
71.
Daddy,
We don't know.
They're saying it's a virus, some kind of parasite.
is it from terrorists?
We don't know.
Are we sick?
No, of course not.
Why did things blow up?
No cell phone, no radio. A minute ago, newsman wouldn't shut up.
How do you know?
What?
How do you know we're not sick?
They're saying it's mostly people in the city. That's why they got the highway blocked off. God. It's Jimmy's place.
The Adlers would take Nana into the city. To the hospital for stuff.
That's right. They would. That's probably why.
But you'd have to go a lot, right?
We're fine, trust me.
All right.
What are you doing?
Got a kid, Joe.
So do we. Keep driving.
We could put you in the back.
Somebody else will come along.
Fuck! Everybody had the same fucking idea. I can't get through this.
All right, let's think it through. We'll think it through.
Fuck!
All right, take the field. We cut across and we pick up on the west side.
Yeah. West, all right. All right, hang on. Shit! Fucking army.
Isn't that good?
It's good for them, but that's the highway we're trying to get to.
All right, keep moving. Head north.
Could be a lot of people.
We can't go south. We can't go east. We can't go west. Hell else are we supposed to go? Tommy, come on! Yeah, I know that place. This can work.
Yeah, but then what?
I don't know. Mexico. Just far. As far as we can. How much gas?
3/4 tank.
We go through town. Golf course by the river, straight across. We pick up the highway on the other side of the blockade. Then we're out.
Maybe it's everywhere. Maybe there's nowhere to go.
What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Gotta go around. Grab something.
All right, keep going, keep going.
Shit, Tommy!
Tommy, you can't stop here.
I can't drive through them
Are
all.
you serious? Just keep going!
Right.
Back. Tommy, go faster! We gotta go!
There's nowhere to fucking go.
Find an alley. What alley? There's people there. Move the fuck over! We gotta get off the street, now!
That's what I'm trying to do, Joe.
Okay, just keep driving.
Dad?
Shit!
Move.